Sri Jishnudev Verma, Honorable Governor of Telangana and Chancellor of Usmania University. And guest of honor, Joint Secretary Sri Bhavani Shankar, Raj Bhavan, Telangana. Professor Vijaya, Head of the Department, English and Director, ELTC, Usmania University. Registrar, OSD2 Vice Chancellor, Principals of various colleges, faculty members, and my dear students. Very good morning to all of you. Hearty welcome to this particular event organized by English Department of Arts College. At the outset, I congratulate the Department of English and Arts College especially for floating such a wonderful program for the tribal students of 33 districts of Telangana, each college to selected based on certain protocols and procedures. Coming to the Usmania University, sir, so we are entering into 108 years. So almost we are completing 107 in a very, very successful manner. It's a, Usmania University is a, a iconic kind of, university and flourishing in a excellent manner, serving the, the whole Telangana as well as the South India and making, all sorts of stakeholders with 56 departments, 750 plus affiliated colleges under Usmania University, 3.6 lakhs student strength, and every year we are admitting 1.25 lakhs students in various programs in 56 departments, 12 faculties, sir. So this Arts College building offering 26 programs with 26 departments, and this particular English department is one of the oldest department in the Arts College, sir. So the Department of English had 8 Fulbright scholars over in different foreign countries, foreign universities like Harvard University, University of Utah, University of California, Yale University, University of Chicago, and Brandeis University and Massachusetts University. And 4 of faculty members of this particular department were also on UK scholarships and fellowships like British Council Scholar and Charles Wallace Trust Fellow, etc. And 7 faculty members of this English department were also active in translation works in English in languages like Persian, Urdu, Italian, Kannada, Bengali, and Telugu. So there were notable scholars and alumni and distinguished visitors in the Department of English. The department continuously brings out the English UG textbook for all 617 affiliated colleges of Usmania University. The recent one in 2023 is the English Express. The department continuously conducts forum lectures and brings out the Usman Street Journal of English Students from 1961 onwards. I am very happy to note that the Secretary, the Telangana Social Welfare Residential Institution Society is also collaborating with the Department of English, ELTC OU for train and trainer programs for their educational institutions and the production of workbooks. As a Vice Chancellor of this great Usmania University, I am honored to see our Honorable Governor of Telangana and Chancellor Sri Jishnudev Verma as a chief guest for this today's program, sir. I thank the Honorable Governor, sir, for sanctioning this particular project to the Department of English, ELTC Usmania University. I am sure 1 month residential program, this training program for imparting English language and communication skills for undergraduate tribal students of Telangana state, sanctioned under the discretionary grants of the Honorable Governor of Telangana, will benefit many deprived students of Telangana state, especially these tribal students. And we are very much committed towards, sir, university is very much committed towards teaching, research, and innovation and infrastructure creation, sir. So we are putting our best efforts to maintain all the quality education, and at the same time, this is the order of the day. skills are the more powerful, tools in the present day context for each and every student, sir. Without skills, it is very difficult to sustain future after completion of the degree. So we are focusing, apart from these four, the skills, we are giving a lot of importance to impart skills in the students, sir. In the coming days, our focus is skill-based education, apart from the teaching, research, innovation, and as well as creation of infrastructure, sir. So I thank all the dignitaries on the dais. I am sure this course will be unique course in the history of our Usmania University, sir. Best wishes and thanks, best wishes to the students, and thanks to each and every participant who have come over here to make this particular inaugural session grand success. Thank you one and all. Jai Hind.